When we're working with Docusign, anything is possible. We haven't been told no to an idea. We've just been given options on how to get to the end goal. New York Life is a financial institution. Our primary focus is enhancing our client experience as well as our agent experience, and also delivering functional technology that delivers value to our service professionals, but also provides that value to our agents and client base as well. We needed to take our business from our standard business process, meaning physical papers and wet ink, to an electronic path. We implemented an e-sign solution that was not ideal for us. We had some clunky authentication that our clients were not able to get past all the time. The initiation process was a little bit confusing for our agents as well. And our CSRs didn't exactly understand the build. We realized that we can mend all of those complications with one very simple, straightforward product, Docusign. While using this integration, we've created a seamless path where our agents can access all of our enforced service forms via one central location and send them out to their client base for signatures. This has provided our agents with one secure location and a very quick and easy process to get to the forms that they need, while we also are able to pre-fill the data pertaining to our clients. That also helps our agents move just a little bit faster in their busy lives. So the integration between Docusign and Salesforce allows us to not only provide quick, reliant, and reliable service, but that the end-to-end workflows have been enhanced so drastically that we've even been able to provide automation enhancements with the build. So it's really been valuable for us. Before Docusign, we had to manually understand what was going on, manually track trends. After we've implemented Docusign, everything is right at our fingertips.